Okay, what we have here is I'm going to take this roast right here. This is just a pork roast, all very, very lean. Really nice Hamilton Beach crock pot. I'm going to set this up on high for about 2 hours and let it cook. I'm going to go ahead and get my vegetables that I have here. I have apples, onions, I have potatoes and carrots. I'm going to pour them right down in there. Just like that, just dump it all right in there. I give it all a wash before I do anything else with it. And I also have some other ingredients over here, just some more vegetables, some green beans, and some collard greens I'm gonna add to it. And this is gonna be some onions that I have, some fresh chopped green onions. And I'm gonna dump them right in there just like that. So that's what I've added there. Now, over here, you got B-roll going. I don't know if you can see how I'm dressed. I'm ridiculously dressed in a beautiful apron I was gifted. What's up? And this is going to be the secret ingredient. Yes, that is going to be the secret ingredient. I'm going to go ahead and dump that right on in. Give me one moment, please. Okay, I've got it all assembled. I'm going to put it on to cook on high for about 2 hours, and I'll come back to it and I'll show you what else we have, what we got going on. I'm gonna have cups of coffee, make a phone call or two, and we'll see what it is. I'll see you on the other side. One moment, please. So what I have here, along with my trusty dusty cup of coffee, is my vegetables that are still in the can. It's okay to use canned vegetables, and I got some peanut butter here. I'm gonna take that peanut butter and I'm gonna push it right off down in there, just like so. See that? People don't believe me when I tell them. Take 2 big old dollops of peanut butter, and while you get stuff all over the lens of the camera, go ahead and throw it in the pot too. So as you can see, I put my peanut butter in and I've got it all over the GoPro. Oh Jesus. I'll be back with you. Looks like the GoPro fared fairly well with getting the peanut butter off of it. So let me see if I can get in here and get a close up. You see that peanut butter dollop? See that one there? Now you may think I'm out of my gourd, and that's okay. I may be, but I've been doing this a long time, and I can tell you that peanut butter on your roast, there's no better oil you can get in there to cook with. So I'll come back here in a couple hours after this cooks down and we'll see what we see.